into the engine and my engine screwed. I said, I might have started, I might have run out here. That's not what I wanted. Okay. What's up, guys? I'm at the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna be doing a little science experiment and see how fast will a car suck down a bag. We're gonna try to do it on Frank, but we might have to do it on Blueberry. Blueberry asked to do some actually work too. I actually started tearing about her engine, not her engine, her headers on her engine, because they're leaking. I've been avoiding it because it's just. I'll get into that next video, but for now we're doing a science video of this. So we're gonna pop the hood on her. Up we go. There's our engine bay. There's our nice little engine to really do an experiment. So I gotta think how to do this without grabbing it into the line here and stuff. But basically the idea we're gonna get a plastic bag, which we got right here, put it right on the engine, and just see how long it takes to suck it down. If it maybe it's suck down little by little, maybe it just goes into the engine and my engine's screwed. Who the hell knows what's gonna happen? Alright guys, so the idea of this is we got some zip ties. I have them together already. Go around, wrap around here. Which will probably just hang this up like that, so it's already right there. Hopefully it makes it easier. We got our bag here. Gotta get some air in the bag. That would help out a little bit. Oh, hold on, double bag. So we got this bag right here. We gotta put some air in it. Bagified, well, air-defied. Now all we gotta do is just wrap it around the hook here. Alright, blow some air into it. Just like a little balloon. We got our bag. This is gonna be a test for now anyways. We're just gonna see if we'll even do anything. But first I'm gonna have to I'm gonna start this car up without it. Hopefully not ripping into the belt system, hopefully not. This is not looking too good right now. We're just getting sucked in. Alright, what we need to do is get this thing to, there you go. Maybe hold it like that, maybe fight the suction of this thing. Let's see. As I might have started, I might have run out here. Alright, this is all the air we got in the bag now, and we're gonna have to start up. Okay. So as you can see, we need a bigger bag. Alright, so next step, we're going into a garbage bag. We're gonna get some air in this bag, and we're gonna get this thing tested, see if we can get this thing to breathe on air on a bag. Come on. The issue, actually, I need to get the compressor out and probably compress the air into the bag so that we get a full bag of air. Perfect, okay. Alright, so there's a crack in the thing on here, so I'm gonna blow some air into this bag, or get this thing filled up, and then we'll start her up. Blow some air into this. Alright, I think we now have a pretty fair shot at this now. I think we might even give the white bag a chance with a setup like this. But what we're gonna do now, we're gonna tighten up these zip ties, clog up that hole, zip tie it up, and now we're gonna start it up and hopefully not, like I said, rip the bag through the thing. See how long we can last with this bag here. Apparently, oh. The issue is that this thing gets sucked in like that. I know that's the reason why. Alright, let's give this a shot. So not very long. So we at least actually attained to run the car actually, which that's pretty cool. Got like an air leak somewhere. I don't know where we got the air leak from. Maybe from that hole? No, it's clogged up. I have no clue, but so you can run a car on a bag for about probably I'd say like 5 seconds, and that's a garbage bag. This garbage bag is actually flattened out completely, so it really did suck it out within 5 seconds. Alright, so I can't tell you how many gallons it is. Maybe like a 15-gallon bag, 20-gallon bag, 25-gallon bag, between that somewhere. I don't know where the box is at. I don't know where I got these from. I don't know which ones of these are these. But we're gonna give this one as a test. We're gonna put some more air into it and see how long it can last for actually. A little bit, put this right here. Try to get away from the pulleys. This seemed to work pretty good. Doing it this way. I think I'm probably gonna run out here real quick and just pull it back. So let's see if we can do that. Oh. Damn it. So close. You guys just got friggin' scuffed with my foot. Alright. Well, we'll just do this regular way now. We'll just pull it back like this. Put this like this. And yeah. Alright. We're back to this one, this way. I'm gonna try to get out here and see if I can. Alright, well, it took a hole in it, so that's what was happening. But, alright guys, so we just learned that you can run a car on a 25-gallon bag for about 10-15 seconds. You cannot run a car on a little shopping bag. So if you're out in space and you need to run a car up in space, do not rely on this. You at least get 10-15 seconds on that one. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, more fun little videos of just kind of stupid things, like even maybe we'll do some running a car on propane. Maybe we'll try to do that with this car, who knows. Leave a like down on this video. Comment down below what you guys want to be seeing done, experiments done to the running a motor and stupid things like, you know, balloons on exhaust and things like that. Anything stupid you want to see, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel to support us and join our community. Do what it takes to follow your dreams. Don't let anyone get in your way, and I'll see you guys in the next one.